Tuesday mornings, we have the School Day Hero of the Week here on Mix 97 with Midtown Brewing and Mix. And today's School Day Hero comes from Albert.College.
You know, Sean, when I read this letter, I had a smile on my face and almost a tear in my eye because this particular person from Albert.College, the junior school, Derek Clark is a custodian there. He's not just any custodian. In fact, some days you might even see him cleaning the school wearing a cape. He goes above and beyond what we might see to keep schools safe and clean. Mr. Clark is known for his fun drawings on the large rolls of paper towel that are on his cart. And each week we look forward to seeing who will be featured next. Sometimes we even look out the window and see Mr. Clark cleaning the windows with the stormtrooper mask on just to make us smile.
Keeping it light and fun at school.
He stops everything to help us out, whether it's an accident on the floor or retrieving a ball from the roof. It doesn't matter if he's having lunch or not. He's there to help us. And we are so thankful to have Mr. Clark as our custodian. He's definitely our school day hero.
Congratulations, School Day Hero of the Week.